Is our new cabinet. My husband surprised me about this. We're ready to move. Tomorrow the sofa will come. They deliver tomorrow. And this my husband surprised me always.
Good. I'm glad you're happy.
And this is our dining table, 4-seater.
All this will last you for years, Ellen.
Yeah.
No floods.
No floods.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'll turn the light off. Are we ready?
Ready. Our
Oh,
toilet.
this is your
It's our toilet.
That's this rack I put up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the washing machine.
Yeah.
New washing machine. And new gas
Cooker.
range cooker.
Yeah.
I will bake a cake now.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Put that on there, okay?
My flowers. And that's my garden outside.
Little garden.
Little garden. Okay, come on.
Okay, we get off now.
Yeah.